Looking for a new cash crop, the last decade has been rough for Florida citrus growers. The struggle has a Davenport citrus plant looking to reinvent itself by getting into the medical marijuana business. As News Channel 8's Melissa Marino explains, the city of Davenport is on board.
Good evening. I want you to take a look. We're told the company is basically using this massive space as office space. They've sold off some of their groves, and one of these buildings might be next. The machines are sitting idle.
The plant has been shut down for a few years and it's starting to deteriorate.
Some starting to rust.
Well, it's no good for nothing, not even for the looks of the town.
A sign the years haven't been kind to Florida's citrus growers.
The canker, the greening and stuff, the citrus production is way down.
Davenport City Manager Kelly Callahan says these growing pains have forced the owners of Holly Hill Citrus to turn to a new crop, medical marijuana. The company is looking for state approval to grow the plant at their facility. City leaders are on board.
We're just giving them a letter of support saying that it's okay if they are awarded, from the state that they could use the Holly Hill Citrus plant as a medical marijuana facility.
Callahan says it's a great way to repurpose the plant and turn it back into a viable business. Estimating around 50 to 100 jobs would come to town with it.
We see it as that right now as a good business opportunity.
And residents we spoke with agree.
If we take it and make something out of that gonna prosper, be a help to somebody, I think it's a good thing.
The owner did not want to comment, and this is still in the early stages. The state has to approve this. In Davenport, Melissa Marino, News Channel 8.